मुझे गब्बर चाहिए। पिस्तौल मेरे पास भी है। एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना।
Hello, I'm Andy.
And I'm TV.
No, not TV. You're Pooh.
Oh, okay.
Like Anand in the 70s, Andy in 2007. So you're Pooh in 2007 when you were Pushpa in the 70s.
Okay, Pooh in 2007.
Okay. So Andy and Pooh are now in 2007. You have been seeing a lot of us night in, night out, Raat Baki and all those places on NDTV talking about the 70s cinema, the 70s show. And today is the grand finale of that show. And we've come to Mannat, where I believe Om from the film Om Shanti Om stays. So we'll be meeting all these people. So aap dekhte rahiye the 70s
Show.
Hello, I'm Vikram.
And I'm Swati. हमारे साथ हैं फराह खान, शाहरुख खान, Deepika and Arjun Rampal.
The first question is something which has been asked for the entire period while we know that Om Shanti Om is coming on screen is why did you choose the 70s?
Shahrukh, would you like to answer that?
नहीं तूने फिल्म बनाई है तो you are responsible. मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया इस फिल्म के अंदर।
passing the buck on to
मैं तो 70s में पैदा हुआ था दीपिका के साथ।
Deepika was born in 86.
मैं 79 में पैदा हुआ था 81 में। अर्जुन तो अभी पैदा ही नहीं हुआ। तो अभी we're trying to get him out।
कोई भी 70 के सवाल आपसे नहीं पूछे जाएंगे, सिर्फ उनसे पूछे जाएंगे।
क्यों? मैं सबसे बुरा लगता हूँ यहाँ पे। उल्लू के पट्टे।
I'm the eldest actually, technically.
तो so my question remains the same. Why the 70s?
Why not?
क्योंकि हमें कपड़े ढूंढने में इतनी परेशानी हुई।
क्यों? हमने तो पूरा रेंज शुरू किया है अभी 70s के कपड़ों का।
Exactly, even देखिए ये जो मैंने शर्ट खरीदी है, खरीदते ही कॉलर श्रिंक हो गए और आते ही आपने कहा
नहीं कॉलर श्रिंक नहीं हुआ, तेरी गर्दन मोटी हो गई। होता है ऐसा कभी-कभी। विंटर्स में ऐसा हो जाता है।
From 70s because at least I don't know about Arjun and Deepika, but it was definitely Shahrukh and my favorite kind of decade.
एक्चुअली 70s मैं बार बार ये सबको बता रहा हूँ और हमारा जो भी हिंदी सिनेमा का बाहर नाम लिया जाता है जो टर्म बॉलीवुड कहते हैं, एक्चुअली सारा वो जो सिनेमा लाउड किच बेल बॉटम्स अभी भी जैसे सेल्फ्रिजेस में या जो फारा ने एंड्रू लॉयड वेबर के साथ
मैंने एंड्रू लॉयड वेबर के लेटर हेड पे सिनॉप्सिस लिखा था।
देखा तो एक्चुअली जितना भी हमारा बाहर फॉरेन में या कहीं पर भी बॉलीवुड टर्म जो है और जेन्युइनली भी बॉलीवुड इज फॉर द 70s 60s वगैरह में बहुत सीरियस सिनेमा डार्क ब्यूटीफुल वंडरफुल सिनेमा एंड 80s के अंदर थोड़ा सा खराब होने लग गया था और 90s में लव एंगल ज्यादा आया था। आई थिंक 70s व्हाट स्टैंड्स फॉर बॉलीवुड और कहीं ना कहीं पर ऐसा भी लगने लगा है अभी कि ये जो 70s का पीरियड है द पीरियड ऑफ 70s इज बिकमिंग इज कमिंग बैक। ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू वेयर दिस शर्ट एनी लॉन्गर इट विल गो आउट ऑफ फैशन। It is coming back.
Our favorite commercial movies, even now, all the classics are from 70s. Whether it's Sholay or Dawn or Trishul, Diwar, Amar Akbar Anthony, they're all 70s cinema. If you go to the 80s, you're not going to come up with even one great film that you're going to remember, unless you count Disco Dancer.
Yeah. No, but you know what happens is when you're growing up, I'm sure like when Deepika was growing up, and so, so when you're post 10, 11 and when you sort of get into movies which is a part of Indian culture, everyone watches Indian movies, so you sort of form a, so she would have seen 90s films more and would know that cinema. Similarly when we were born in 60s so late-ish 60s
comes out finally.
So that time you grew up watching mid 70 films. We were old enough to understand that kind of cinema. It remained ingrained.
I think we were also, it's also I was born in the 70s and my
पैदा होते ही ये फिल्म देखना शुरू कर
late 70s and
Late 70s.
early. But I think the coolest part was whenever we wore those clothes, it reminded us of our parents. I'm sure you guys must have seen pictures of your parents with the sideburns.
Like right now, you both are reminding me of my parents.
Yeah. So it's kind of a tribute to, I think, all our parents. The 70s was like a tribute to our parents. Yeah, a tribute to Bollywood and our
Actually,
parents.
to our childhood and to their parents.
और ये जो फिल्म जो है हमने जो बनाई है, जो फारा ने जो कंसीव की थी, उसमें उसने 2007 में भी थी फिल्म. और नॉर्मली जो रीइनकार्नेशन फिल्म्स होती हैं उसमें पीरियड आज तक दुनिया में कोई भी रीइनकार्नेशन फिल्म में कैप्चर नहीं हुआ है. बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है, करण अर्जुन का सब बहुत, मैं डिराइव नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन कभी भी जो पहले हुआ है वो कैप्चर नहीं हुआ. सो 2000 का अगर हम दिखा रहे हैं और 25-30 पहले साल की फिल्म दिखा रहे हैं तो लॉजिकली 70s हो गया. एंड दैट वाज वेरी एक्साइटिंग कि अरे 70s पीरियड भी दिखा सकते हैं जो हमने पले बड़े हुए हैं, मतलब पैदा हुए हैं और पले बड़े हुए हैं. बट अदर पार्ट ऑल्सो वुड बी रियली नाइस. तो दोनों एक रेलेवेंस आता है. एक आजकल की जो नस्ल है उनको आज का पीरियड दिखेगा, प्लस ये सब फैशन में है कि यू नो ऑल दीज काइंड ऑफ कलर्स एंड स्टफ, रेट्रोज एंड, तो वो भी आएगा पसंद. और जो नॉस्टैल्जिया है, अरे यार हम ऐसे ही कपड़े पहन के लड़कियों को पटाते थे, तो वो सब आएगा. So it had all things fell into place.
Patao girls wearing clothes like this.
That's why I never had any girlfriend.
Now, believe me, a couple of women came up to me and said, "Let's go out, buy you good clothes." so
Yeah, like-
I have a
Get
chance.
this shirt off
But I'm
immediately.
telling you,
Get a
you're looking
shot
the
of
best
immediately.
you've ever looked in your life.
I swear, no.
I'm telling you, it suits you. You should just
You know
dress
what
like
just
this
happened to
always.
me? This-
I promise you.
So much.
Really, really. I remember wearing these clothes. I got into bed with a girl. She said the same thing. Let's go out and leave you outside.
अब क्योंकि बात कपड़ों की हो रही है और दीपिका जी काफी क्वाइट हैं, ये बताइए कि आपको कितना टाइम लगता था तैयार होने में?
2 hours.
That's it.
और दीपिका मोनोसिलेबिक आंसर्स देगी. डोंट थिंक कि ये भी आगे बताएगी कि 2 घंटे क्या करती
Maybe
थी. 2
नहीं है
hours.
इसलिए सिर्फ
2
2 घंटे लेते हैं. सेकंड फिल्म में वो 4 घंटे.
No, but that's also because Bharat, Doris, and Manish was so sure of what they were doing, and we had also done a look test before we started shoot.
And she used to get ready for fashion shows in 10 seconds backstage. So, all helps.
आप लोगों को सबको विक्रम का कॉस्ट्यूम अच्छा लगा, मेरा कॉस्ट्यूम नहीं अच्छा लगा.
आपका कॉस्ट्यूम बहुत अच्छा
बहुत अच्छा है.
अब बहुत खूबसूरत है.
Thank you.
है. You're looking really, really nice, Swati.
Thank you very much.
Fantastic you're looking.
Thank you.
Really wonderful.
Okay, Deepika, these two were growing up during that time. He was born, as he says, in the late 70s. That time.
ये थोड़ा लंबा है ना.
You weren't born at that time, so what is the kind of research that went
It's
into
truly a
it?
period film.
It's history for all.
So what is the kind of research that went into it? Did you watch movies? What did you do?
Yeah, I watched a couple of the old movies, but apart from
We
that,
gave her a bunch of movies
movies to watch.
to watch.
But apart from that, Farah had done half the research for me, and she already had looks and everything in place.
Farah
She had
did
all-
half the research. She did most of the research. I still remember
No,
picking
I'll
up
tell you
some
one
clothes.
thing.
And one of the assistants told me that, I said this sari, and she said, Amar Prem.
Yeah,
And then I said this shirt, and she said something else.
Yeah.
And I was like, damn, she's
We
like,
had fun.
Farah has a note of all the movies.
Shah Rukh's clothes are all like
My
your
personal clothes?
No, not personal. The one we Karan made for him in the film. They all like that check suit which
Yeah.
he's wearing, which everyone thinks is
Nice.
don't know, not so nice, but
Fashion.
you're making it look cool. That's Rishi Kapoor's suit from Rafu Chander.
आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं.
In मैं अगर कहूँ what he's wearing, that's Rajesh Khanna from a movie called Mahachor.
तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ. कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ.
Farah is the only one who could have made the 70s look. Because fashion-wise, she's so with the 70s.
Stop.
it is,
I'm still in the 70s.
it is scary. I mean,
Yeah.
she knew exactly what color pants, had to wear a leather
Because
jacket.
Arjun, I'm still in 70s fashion
turtleneck.
mode.
It was fantastic. I
But
mean,
Farah did make the 70s look good because we never had a good-looking villain in the
Of course,
70s.
you had Vinod Khanna.
Vinod Khanna was turning from a villain
But
to
I
a
want to
hero
tell
after
you
that
that
time.
Arjun
No,
Mukherjee
by
was
the
Shah Rukh's
80s he
idea.
was in the ashram.
Yeah, that was Shah Rukh. I think that was his best idea in the film. to give you a-
Yeah, that was